If you guys want me to do a hair tutorial on this hairstyle, just let me know in the comments down below. Hey guys! Hey! Welcome back to the Chan Chan. Today, things are starting to get rolling. We're going to Italy and I need to pack. Okay, I have 3 days before I adios, hasta luego out of here. First things first, need to get a haircut because there's just no layers up in this higgity jiggity. And I want to get like shorter pieces in the front so then when I put my hair up it looks sort of cute. I've been lounging all day with the dogs. There's one, there's the other. I'm gonna go to Ulta. I have to return these jeans from Rainbow. They're super cute, but I got one size that I thought was gonna fit. It was too small. I got another size I thought it was gonna fit. They were too big, so I need to return those. And then I need to return these jean shorts in American Eagle, which are super cute and I love the cut. Too big and it just looks really awkward right here. I'm just gonna show you my everyday skincare. Lately I've been using this Glossier Solution Exfoliating Skin Perfector. Don't know how I feel about it just yet because you're supposed to at least use skincare for a couple weeks until you actually see a difference. The day moisturizer, I use this Olay Complete SPF moisturizer. It's really hydrating, which I absolutely love. Then I go in with this V2 Code eye cream. I love the consistency of it. I think it's really hydrating. I used to have really dry under eyes, but this has helped a bunch. Sometimes I'll just spray this little guy on my face, whether it's day or night, just for added hydration. This is the outfit of the day. Nothing too fancy. These are like the only boyfriend jeans that I have. So that's why I really want to get a pair, or at least that's why I've been trying to get another pair from Rainbow because they had really cute ones. But yeah, I want high-waisted. These aren't that high. They kind of just go to right there. But yeah. And then I'm going to throw my watch on, my rings on. This is the finished makeup. Simple, easy. So I have to charge my battery and go get my hair cut. So I will return once I got these hairs chopped. I'm gonna keep the length. I just gotta get some layers up in here. I am back from my hair appointment. My hair looks so nice. She did such a good job. I'm like literally obsessed with it. It looks so healthy and it finally looks shiny. I have such an issue with getting my hair shiny. So she gave me some products to try. Well, she recommended some products to try out, but I'm so obsessed with it. It looks so nice. Yay! I'm sweating my boilies off. I got a package from Influencer. Influencer? I don't think there's no T, is there? Yeah, there is. Influencer. Influencer. Soap. It's naturally good suds. So this is a handmade soap. Ooh, that smells like cinnamon. I really like that. Color off any Splendor Naturals product. Skin active, soothing, 3-in-1 moisturizer, day and night mask. Oh yeah, I've heard this. I've seen this on YouTube where some people are talking about this, where you can use it as a really hydrating mask or you can just leave it on as a moisturizer. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. This is for waterproof makeup. This is Not Your Mother's Naturals Matcha Green Tea and Apple Blossom Butter Mask. Oh, so this is for hair. Wow, so I have a lot of hair stuff to try here. Let's open this up and smell it. Ooh. Oh, that smells really nice. So it's just like a really thick white cream. Oh, I really like the smell of that. Things that I got at Ulta. Buy 2, get 1 free for Redken. So I bought 2, got 1 free, but then they also give you a gift. So I got 4 of these little travel size. My hairdresser used the Redken Diamond Oil Blow Dry. Okay, I'm just dropping shit here. I also got this Outshine Anti-Frizz Polishing Milk, 25 benefits, 1 united spray. So it's just like a spray that you put on your hair when it's damp. I picked up this Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. Mine in the shade F10. which potentially could be a little bit too dark. The shade down from F10 was way too light, so the shade range is a little weird, even though they have a lot of shades to offer. So I definitely recommend going into store and seeing what shade you are. I'm gonna make some lunch. Thanks for watching.